Kandy is a historic city with a rich business heritage. Our aim is to introduce the business heritage to school students so that it can be understood, shared, and safeguarded for the future. We, the team of Multidisciplinary Research Grant number 34 at the University of Peradeniya, invited a group of students representing 3 schools of Kandy, Girls High School, Kingswood College, and St. Sylvester's College to participate in a practical workshop on drawing tourism businesses of Kandy. Our workshop began with a welcome address by Dr. Taridu Surendra from the Faculty of Science, who introduced the role of tourism business heritage in safeguarding the city's cultural heritage. Mr. Jagath Wijarathna, a retired draftsman from the Department of Archaeology, demonstrated to our group how to sketch a heritage building using a technique he referred to as perspective drawing. Our group is setting up equipment on Temple Street, one of Kandy's historic streets that leads to the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic. Schoolchildren and undergraduate students began sketching the Old Empire Hotel, a prominent landmark closely tied to Kandy's commercial history. Not only the schoolchildren and undergraduate students, but even the teachers began sketching as well. Local vendors supported the activity by offering space for the students. Local residents and tourists stopped by, showing interest and encouraging the students as they worked. These are some of the works they completed, and these are now included on our project website. As part of the workshop, the research team also organized a discussion session at historic Ulpange, or Queen's Bath premises. Dr. Shamontha Subasinha opened the discussion, which was attended by the provincial directors of the Department of Archaeology, the Department of Trade and Tourism, and the Central Cultural Fund, who shared their experiences in urban heritage preservation. In the end, the group realized that each tourism business represents more than just a business. It is part of the city's cultural heritage. At the end of the program, certificates were awarded to all students to appreciate their participation. The workshop concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Dr. Uditha Jinadasa. Our heritage continues when the younger generation learns to appreciate its value. We hope that decades from now, this young group will remember this day and the old Empire Hotel they sketched. We dream of a future in which they help preserve this historic urban landscape, the very streets and buildings where they studied, walked, and sketched.